All right, so we're taking a jumbo size of regular hummus and we're putting it in our round Pyrex dish. Beautiful. Make sure to flatten that out nice and easy. I like the jumbo size because it gives us a good thick layer. Beautiful. All right, now I have some plain Greek yogurt, and I know that sounds a little weird, but it's gonna taste so good with that hummus. And we are gonna go ahead and put that right on top, just like this. Get all of that out. We don't want any of it to go to waste. Beautiful. And I actually have 2 of these yogurts just to make sure we fill up that whole dish. Perfect. Go ahead and flatten it out just like we did with the hummus. This is gonna be a super yummy and super easy, literally the easiest appetizer you'll ever make. And it's a crowd pleaser, I promise you. Okay.
But you're using Greek yogurt, babe.
I know, but trust me, the flavors are gonna be crazy good. All right, well, you're gonna have to. I have some diced up cucumbers. I use the mini cucumbers because they're easier to cut up. Okay, and this is about 3 mini cucumbers. We're putting that right on top. These are just fresh cucumbers from my grocery store. Make sure you spread them out best you can, just like this. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is looking delicious already.
I can see the layers down there.
All right, now we are adding some tomatoes. And these are grape tomatoes that I cut up in quarters. And we're gonna do the same thing that we did with the cucumber with the tomatoes. Okay. And I did feed some cucumbers to my pups, so if you hear them, you know, begging, oh, there she goes. She knew I was talking about her. That's because they love cucumber. Okay, that is looking gorgeous.
That looks amazing, babe. Wow.
Mm-hmm. And this is totally customizable. If you don't like tomatoes, don't put them in there. If you don't like cucumber, skip them. It is your recipe to make to your liking. Ooh, that is looking beautiful and colorful. Now, I know you guys are gonna get mad at me for this one, but I love me some onion. If you follow me, you know I love onion. So we are doing some red onion right on top. You can't do the yellow because the yellow is for cooking and the red is for raw. If you know that, you know your onions. Okay, maybe a little.
Is that really a thing?
Yeah. You put like your red onions on burgers, on dips, but then if you're cooking something up, then you do the yellow onion.
I had no what? I didn't even know that was a thing.
No, I've known that for a while. Now you know.
Now I know.
Okay. That looks just about right. I just used, you know, maybe a handful of onions right there. Now for my favorite part, and if you don't like feta cheese, you can totally use a different type of cheese, but this is kind of a Mediterranean appetizer, so I stuck with the Mediterranean cheese. Oh my God, they want some cucumbers.
They keep crying.
Yeah, they smell them. And we are just gonna sprinkle that right on top. I do kind of wish these were a little bit more crumbled, but you know what? It's gonna be good because I love cheese.
There's plenty of crumbles in there, look at that.
All right, and make sure to spread that out. You don't want big chunks of feta in one spot. Beautiful. All right, we are almost done here. We literally have one more ingredient. All right, and that is our sliced, don't come at me, Kalamata olives.
Kalamata?
You got it.
Is that how you say it?
Yeah, that's why I have you. I know about the onions, you know about the olives. And we're gonna go ahead, make sure they're sliced, and we're gonna sprinkle those right on top. Just like this. Oh my gosh, to add to those Mediterranean vibes. So good, so easy. I mean, come on, we're not even gonna bake this or nothing. This is literally the easiest appetizer you'll ever make, and it will impress your guests. I promise you, it's so good. The flavors are crazy. All right, we're almost done.
So you're trying to get no juice.
Yeah, we don't want those juices, that will ruin it. Okay.
Oh, okay, heard.
Beautiful! Oh my goodness. Okay,
I want to see the layers.
Before we serve this up, yeah, we need to see those layers. Oh my goodness. Let's look at the bottom real quick. Look at that hummus.
Oh.
Ooh, okay, so in order to serve this up, I'm gonna grab my handy dandy. Woo! Round cutting board. Let's do it right there. Make sure our space is clear for our guests. I'm just hungry, I'm not crazy. And what do you dip hummus in? What do you dip in hummus? You know.
Oh.
Some pita chips. I'm using the Simply Naked because you guys tell me I need to be healthier. So no salt.
This is a pretty healthy dish. It's keto friendly. Minus the chips.
Beautiful.
Oh, wow.
Voila.
Try a bite.
I need to dig in this. I have my yummy pita. Let's see if I can grab all of those. Oh,
I'm broke.
it's too weak. I need some of that hummus.
Maybe we need a
There we
serving
go.
spoon.
Oh, that's good. No, I got it. Don't tell me I need a spoon.
Is it good? Yeah.
Incredible. Dig in.